Now, as you very rightly said, there are a lot of issues in the manufacturing. Though you have been calm to get those actions, you have got a lot of problems in cash flows. Have this thought trickled into your mind, saying that why not I go back to job? Let me ask you this question from the perspective which I have seen, because I have my cousin who has been into the CA practice. My cousin mother or some mother, she has been asking him, why don't you go back to job? Because so much of issues on collections, and you day to day you're facing so many. So has that thought somewhere trickled into your mind? Should I go back to job?
To be honest, no.
Anything? I mean,
For,
why?
for Ravi and me, failure is not an option.
Yes. Okay.
Today, I'm living a dream as an entrepreneur. I wanted to be an entrepreneur ever since I read that book, Rich Dad Poor Dad. That was way back. Probably I was 38 years old at that time. See, I knew that being an entrepreneur is not without its challenges. But then today, the freedom that both Ravi and I had, of course, we have tough times in the business, but today we also have the freedom to do what we want, be it in business, be it in personal life. Today when I can be anywhere. I can still run the business. I can attend weddings. I can attend to people who are having bad times. So being with the good, being with the bad, keeping you rooted, all those things is happening today only because I've been an entrepreneur for the last 6-7 years. Why should I go back and work? When you ask me, did that thought come? So now that the thought that you put in my mind, I planted it. I don't think. Anyway, I'm going to be 60 soon. So if I were working also, most probably the retirement would have happened. Today, you know what? As I written in my book, I am today Shyam 2.0. Right? It is not Shyam of those times.
Those
right?
times
where I was working. Today is the time for me to really start a new life, right? And that is that's what every day when I wake up today, what can I do good today? What can I do something? And I know for the next 10 years, 15 years, if I'm alive, I'm going to be occupied. I know I'm going to be active. I'm going to be writing more books. I'm going to
Fantastic.
be. I want to have more. I want to see more entrepreneurs. Today, I get opportunities to speak in front of college students just because I wrote a book. I've started something. If I were in a job, okay. If I was probably the MD or someone with a very rich experience that do in big companies, they are called to address people. Here, I'm a common person. I'm not a big businessman. It is just that I'm living a dream. I have so much of years of work, but now converting it into an entrepreneurial mindset, I'm able to share that, right? And I want to do that more. And that is what is going to take me for the next 10, 15 years. That is what is going to drive me. No work. I'm not going to get back to work. Sorry.
Sorry to bring that question about, because I wanted this thought to come out to all our audiences. See, when an entrepreneur starts his journey, okay, the seed is planted while he's in the work. That's
Exactly.
precisely what I wanted to bring it out. And that is a real seed which grows into a plant inside a person. And once that plant is grown, never that thing goes off as a seed and people would take out that plant and throw it off. It remains with you, and you are a passionate entrepreneur who wants to create more entrepreneurs. So that is what is the best part of being an entrepreneur. So
Yeah.
I just wanted that to come out.
Not only that, one more thing which, having worked for 29 years, I've seen the ups and downs of the complete industries, and it toughens you as well, right, as a person. So, one more thing, it is becoming an entrepreneur. Of course, we are manufacturer by chance, but then it sets you up, right? So, you should be, Ravi and I were ready to face those challenges, and we are still ready. We are going to fight it. Come what may, we are not going to let it go. We will ensure that our company grows, everyone grows together, and we are here to make a mark. And that's why we have named the companies as Thea New Consultants, and we are going global. We are going to be Diktis Technologies, and we have a roadmap for the next 5
for
years
the next
as well.
5 years. Right. So that is precisely what I'm trying to say. Ki the ones who come here as an option, like being an entrepreneur, chalo job se kanta lag gaya, so let us start something which is my business. If they just look it as an option, it's not. It's not. It is something which comes germine from your mindset that you want to become entrepreneur.
With a
You want-
purpose.
with a purpose,
Yes.
exactly, with a purpose in life. So you want to create that kind of impact on various people, and as very rightly said, now that you've been so many years of experience, now you want to give it back. You want to get more such entrepreneurs in the business. Given the challenges, life is always going to have challenges, and winning that is only going to give you more kick to do more, bring in more challenges.
Yeah, as they say, right? I mean, see, what do you do? I mean, you generally tend to when you read any book or when you talk to people, generally it's all about success stories.
Hmm.
But I feel that failure stories are more important.
Exactly.
We have gone through that. We have learned from failures, and today when I put out those failures in front of people, they understand that they should not do that. We also, I don't ask like how you became successful. What were the impediments that you faced when
So
you
that you reach that.
yeah, so
place.
that we don't repeat those mistakes.
Exactly.
So those are the things which you are learning, and that is how
fantastic.
that has also helped to shape us, right?
Yes.